In this technique, you will pick up specific threads and create floats in the warp. When you do this, you can create designs and patterns. You can create shapes, lines, or designs of any kind. Start by weaving one pick with the open threads down. Leave a 3-inch long tail for securing your weft. Chain sheds, beat, and weave across. I hold the threads that are up in one hand, while I chain sheds with the other hand. Press the open threads down, keeping the pickup threads up. Place the shuttle through the new shed, beat, and weave across. Chain sheds, beat, and weave across. Chain sheds, beat, and weave across. Now you'll be able to see the full repeat. The floats in the warp create a new design. Now, when I chain sheds, I will beat and weave across. Then I will pick up the same threads and repeat the same process. If you make a weaving mistake where the wrong threads are raised, this is fixable. This often happens with pickup because the threads can be difficult to see. Open the shed and use your fingers to lift up on the pickup threads that were raised, not the correct ones. Keep that shed open and place the shuttle through. This will unweave that pick. In some cases, it will be easier to cut the weft and pull the loop on the selvages to unweave.